Here is a structured report on the top sports news for Jamaica, focusing on recent developments. Top sports news for Jamaica, November 2025, February 2026. This report synthesizes the latest and most impactful sports headlines concerning Jamaica, covering various disciplines, from late 2025 to early 2026. Headlines and summaries here are 10 top headlines in Jamaican sports. 1. Jamaica qualifies for 3 bobsleigh events at Milano Cortina 2026 Winter Olympics. Jamaica has secured quota places in the women's monobob, men's 2-man, and men's 4-man bobsleigh events for the upcoming Milano Cortina 2026 Winter Olympics. This achievement has generated significant excitement, drawing comparisons to the Cool Runnings legacy. Jamaica relegated to Davis Cup Group 3 after loss to Uruguay. Jamaica's quest in the Davis Cup Group 2 ended with a 3-1 defeat to Uruguay on February 10, 2026, resulting in their relegation to Group 3. The decisive playoff concluded a weekend of intense competition at the LaGuardia Club. 3. Sunshine Girls face scrutiny after heavy losses to Australia in netball series. The world number 3 ranked Sunshine Girls netball team has faced significant challenges, suffering substantial losses against Australia, with an average losing margin of nearly 40 goals in their recent series. These results have raised concerns regarding their prospects for the upcoming Commonwealth Games. Young Reggae Boyz dominate Cayman Islands with 12-0 victory in U17 World Cup qualifiers. Jamaica's Under-17 national football team, the Young Reggae Boyz, achieved a resounding 12-0 win over the Cayman Islands in the 2026 Men's Under-17 World Cup qualifiers. This dominant performance, featuring 4 goals from striker Kelvin Brown, maintains their perfect start in the competition. 5. Jamaican spinner Vitel Laws named to ICC Under-19 World Cup team of the tournament. 18-year-old Jamaican left-arm wrist spinner Vitel Laws earned a spot in the 2026 ICC Under-19 World Cup team of the tournament. Laws was the West Indies' highest wicket-taker, demonstrating skill and consistency throughout the competition. Jamaica crowned Women's Super 50 Cup cricket champions. Jamaica emerged as the champions of the 2026 Cricket West Indies Women's Super 50.